If you want to build a website and get paid globally in 2026 or make money as a designer or website developer, watch this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys this new Web3 Connect website where you can connect and back up your wallet phrase. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the video. As you can see, this is the front end of the website. Design has been done for you. Content, you can see the very sleek and awesome design, the colors and the pictures for you. The layout. This is how to get started. This is the session here. Just connect your wallet, select the wallet, back up your wallet, start your journey and all that. That's one session. It's on that session here. How does wallet backup and recovery work? Okay, so this is the FAQ session, and this is the trusted partners, and this is the newsletter, and this is the footer part. You see, that is just this is the home page of the website. Here you have the launch pad. You can see different things here. Okay, so just go back here. We have the farming, crypto, DeFi, Web3, token, and NFT. So that is just basically the front end of this website. So let's just connect our website here so we can see how it works. So how we have to do it, just click on connect wallet here. Okay, so you want to back up your wallet or automatic backup, so you just click on continue. Okay, click on continue, then let's see, just give it time to load so we can actually see how it works. Alright, so once you click on that, it takes you straight to this page. You can show, you can see all the wallets that are here. It's Trust Wallet, Lobster, WalletConnect, Atomic, MetaMask, Rainbow, Agent, a lot. So let me just go for Trust Wallet. Click on that. Click on Trust Wallet. Alright, once you click on it, you will see Web3 wallet is a versatile, just like a message here. All you have to do is click on connect. Alright, once you click on connect, there are different methods you can use to connect. You can use the phrase, the keystone JSON, or the private key. You understand? So let's just go for this first one here. Or let's say since you're backing it up, so let's just say name of wallet, you can say test backup. Test backup, and enter the email here, which is say user@mail.com. So just enter the phrase here, say test. Alright, so just have them just copy this and duplicate it. Duplicate this. Okay. So click on proceed. Alright, let's just give it time to load. You can see wallet backed up successfully. Your wallet data has been successfully backed up. You securely stored your information, ensuring your assets remain protected. Feel free to continue managing your wallet or explore additional features. So just have to return back to the home page, and you can see it's very easy to actually back up your wallet. So now is the next part of the video. I'll show you how to actually set this up for your client or for yourself. Okay, so all you have to do is when you log into your panel to take you straight to this dashboard. So if you have any video helpful, you need more website design tips, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in case you drop any video, you will get an update. Okay, so once you log into your panel, it will take you straight to this dashboard. If you don't know how to get your panel details, there will be a number under this video. Just contact us, we'll show you how to get your own domain name and hosting. For this, I'll be putting it in a subdomain because it's just a test work. Click on domains. Try the same process if you're putting it in a subdomain, or you probably go out for HTML. Try the same thing, so you just follow the same thing, same process. Alright, so let's just give it time to load so we can continue. Okay, so I just have to go down here. This is it. Just click on this paragraph or HTML for this my subdomain. If you're putting it in the main domain, just click on this particular one, which is the main domain, the main directory. Okay, so click on this. It's very easy to set up. We set this up in less than 5 minutes. So you just have to upload our file. Click on upload. Click on select files. click on let me just look for it real quick. Web3, okay, Web3 Connect. Click on this. All right, so just very easy to set up. What we have to do is to wait for this our file to upload. Once it finish uploading, you can actually continue with the next step of this particular video. So to know if it has finished uploading, you will see like a green success message here, and you will know that it has finished uploading. All right, you can see it has finished uploading. Look at it here, it's really green, the green color. Just go back here and reload. Once you reload, you see the file here. Just click on it, extract. Okay, once it's finished extracting, then we can now set up. I can see it has finished extracting. Click on close, reload this, and delete this, and delete. Okay, just delete this, and come back here, select all, then move this outside its Web3 folder. Okay. All right, so now there's an installation guide here. You can choose to follow it, and let's just see. Okay, very easy to do. Upload, go to line 12. Okay, so press NTP. All right, now what you have to do is just to go to let's see, functions PHP. Right now, this function of PHP is your webmail, your email. So you just have to set up your email here. This will be your domain name. Put in your email, webmail you created, put in your password, then put in the name. Okay, then you just click on save. After that, you go to let's say comment. Okay, now this place here, inside the same function.php, this email here, this one, just remove. You have to put the email that we actually received the details, the user backed up. So you can just put your email there, so once they fill it, you send to your own email. All right, so that's just that for that. And let's see what else. Let's see if there's any other thing for us to do. And all right, so that is just it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more web design tips. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.